Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make this very delicious okra soup with just few ingredients you have at home already. So if this is your first time stopping by, I'm so happy to have you here. Please support me by liking and subscribing to my channel. So let's dive right into the video. And in your pots you have my already washed protein. I'll be using goat's meat for this recipe. I already added my my seasoning cube, some salt to taste, and I'll be going in with my fresh pepper, my fresh brindled pepper, and now I'll go in with my crayfish, and I'll add some onion. I'll cover this up and I'll shake. You shake with all your muscle. You shake, and then when you're shaking, after shaking, you put this on low heat to produce some juice. You can add more water if you want. So in a separate pan, after adding in our oil and our onion, we're adding some salt. Just 1 cube of no seasoning cube will be fine. And we'll go in with our crayfish, and then we'll fry this. We'll add our okra. We'll keep just one aside, and we'll add our okra and we'll fry. We'll be frying this on low heat. We don't have to fry this for too long because we want our okra to be very fresh. So just after a few seconds of frying, you go in with your protein. Remember, I'm using goat's meat for this recipe. You can use beef, chicken, whatever meat you want to use, whatever protein you want to use is fine. So after adding in my meat, I'll be going with my meat stock. That's the water from my meat, and I'll stir this, and then I'll add my pepper. You can add a pepper of your choice. I like pepper so much, so yeah, I'll be adding my pepper, and I'll stir this, and then I'll go in with my okra. The okra we left behind, we'll be adding it up now, and we'll stir. And you stir this, and now I'll go with my catfish. You can use any fish of your choice, and if you want to use your stock fish or your dry fish, it's the right time to add it. Yeah, so now I'll be going in with my seasoning cube, and I'll stir this very well. And at this point, you can taste to know if you add additional salt or seasoning cube. So I'll be going in with a little more salt, and I'll be adding my vegetable. I use ugu leaf for this recipe. You can use your uziza leaf if you want to. And I'll be adding my crayfish. So we're done. You can turn off your gas, and yeah, you can have this soup with your fufu, your gari, any swallow of your choice, semo. Yeah, so we're done. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.